first question is Nigeria better today than 2 years ago? So I assume that is for yes. Is Nigeria better today than 2 years ago? Okay, let's go to the second question. Do you think, order please, do you think the nation is on the right track with the policies of the Tinubu government? Okay. All right. My third question, and this is very important, and we need to also think carefully. Is your hope renewed? No, I've not finished the question. Hold on. I've not finished the questions. Hold on is a longer sentence. Is your hope renewed now, or do you think this government is in touch with the present realities of the average nation? For those who agree, say yes. Those who disagree, say no. If you agree that the Minister of Interior did a fantastic job in defending a very difficult situation of the country, put your hands together for him. If you really think the Minister of Interior did a very good job, please stand up and clap for him. So it's a unanimous decision. All right, and that note, the yes have it.